Want to engage your audience during presentations and collect feedback instantly? In this video we'll walk through how to create interactive forms using Microsoft Forms and embed them into your PowerPoint slides, perfect for live polls, quizzes and feedback during presentations. Let's start by building our form. Load Forms from the menu waffle and sign in with your university account, if you are not already. Click on New Form and give your form a title and description. Now let's add some questions. Use the choice question type for multiple choice polls. Use text for open-ended responses. Use rating for feedback scales. Use date for scheduling responses. Use ranking to let participants prioritize options. Use Likert for measuring attitudes or opinions. Each question type comes with its own features. For example, multiple choice allows single or multiple selections. Rating lets you choose between stars or numbers. We'll cover forms in more detail in a later video. Now let's embed the form into PowerPoint. Open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the interaction to be shown. Go to the Insert tab and click on Forms. Choose your form from the list or select New Quiz or New Form and begin from scratch. Then select Insert. The form will appear as an interactive object on your slide. Then select Present for interactive meetings. This means it will be fully interactive during the presentation. Attendees can respond in real time and have the results visualized on screen. A QR code and link are generated on the slide for attendees to submit their responses to. Attendees can join via their phone or browser. This feature is great for webinars, classrooms, and meetings, enabling real-time feedback and even anonymous responses if you choose. We'll cover creating forms themselves in more detail in another video. However, today let's focus on PowerPoint. You can move through the form's questions by clicking the arrow buttons on the bottom of the slide. Each question type will display responses in a slightly different way. Choice type questions will offer a tree map or bar chart. Text type questions will show a word cloud or the responses in their entirety. Responses are automatically anonymized when displayed in this live format, even if the form is recording the respondent's name. Rating type questions will show an average score. Date type questions will just show individual responses and so don't have much use within this format of presentation. And finally, Likert style questions will display a divergent stack bar chart. This helps to display information like sentiments very easily and works best with scales rather than individual options. To wrap up, remember, build your form with purpose. Match your form questions to your presentation content and practice using Present Live so you're confident during delivery. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out future videos on using forms in more detail.